Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to look at how to use the Linky AI app on your PC. You can use the Linky AI app on your PC by using an Android emulator because directly you can't use it. Now here's a common method. 1. Download and install an emulator. We have many popular choices like BlueStacks, Lux Player, Memo Play. They are the most popular choices. After downloading and installing the one that suits your PC, next you have to open the emulator. Use the built-in app store within the emulator, usually Google Play Store, to search for and install Linky Chat with Characters AI. Once you're through with that, open the Linky AI app within the emulator and log in to your existing account or create a new one. Now you can use Linky AI on your PC just like you would on a mobile device to start chatting. Note, the performance of the app might vary depending on the emulator and your PC specification. Keep your emulator updated for the best compatibility and performance. Now by doing this, it allows you to enjoy the Linky AI experience on your PC's larger screen and with the convenience of a keyboard and a mouse. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.